Welcome back to my channel. It is Tiffany or Texture Love, and I am back with another video for you guys. This video is a little bit different because I am going to be washing my hair with my mini twist still in. I usually never wash my hair when it's twisted in any kind of way because my roots are very fine. They're very soft. When water hits them, they curl up, and if it's twisted instead of loose, then my hair tends to mat and knot and tangle and dread right at the point where the twist starts. So I hardly ever wash my hair in twist. So I'm going to be trying something different. I think I found a great method and I want to share it with you guys on this channel. But first things first, you guys, if you have not already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Join the Texture Love crew. You can also follow me on Instagram at TextureLove16 and on Facebook at Texture Love Always. Thank you to all of the people in the Texture Love crew. I know we have some new people that have joined, and I'm so excited to have you. Just remember that on my channel, I'm all about healthy hair tips because natural hair does not have to be complicated. It's actually very easy, and I always bring scientific, truthful facts about how you can take care of your natural hair. So anyway, it's been a while since I've used my real voice, for these videos, because normally the voiceover is just so much clearer. But I did kind of want to, show you guys that I'm here, I'm real, this is my voice. It's been a while. But anyway, you guys, I don't want to keep rambling because this video is going to be a little bit longer than normal because it's going to be a full wash day routine with my hair in these twists, and I want to be detailed, especially because I think this method would work. So, just some hair details. I have high porosity hair. I'm like 3C, 4A. I consider my hair to be coarse, sometimes coily, high density. So anyway, yeah, that's just some stuff there. Check the description box for all of the details for everything that I'm going to be using. And let's go ahead and get into this video so it's not 10 minutes. All right, you guys.
Okay, loves, the first thing I do is dilute my shampoo in an applicator bottle with water. It makes it so much easier to apply to my roots and the base of my twists. I use the pads of my fingers to just massage the shampoo in, and then I'm doing everything in a downward motion. This is because my roots, as you will see right here, you see how loose they are, so I don't want them to mat, dread, or tangle on themselves. So I am just doing everything in a downward motion, being very gentle. After I rinse out the shampoo, I'm going to move on to a rinse out conditioner. The goal here is to soften my hair and add moisture and slip because I have to retwist. I am not going to use a deep conditioner because my hair is in twists, so even though my scalp is pretty clean and my hair is pretty clean, it's not a deep cleanse like as if my hair were loose. So I am just softening my hair with the rinse out conditioner, and I let it sit in my hair for about 15 minutes. That's going to give me enough slip to redo each twist. Check the description box. I'm using Fekkai products and a regular butter for this video. So after I have applied my conditioner and I just let it sit for about 15 minutes, I'll go on to styling. I apply my cream to my twists in sections. I'm going to do everything with my hair damp and not soaking wet. I need the dampness. My hair is high porosity. It dries out very quickly. You see how loose the top of my twist is right there? Some parts of my hair, when they get like that, that's the regular hair butter that I'm using. I don't want my hair to mat on itself. That's very easy for my hair to do. I just take apart the twists little by little until they're loose, just like this, and I add my butter on my damp hair, and then I retwist. When I retwist, I'm using my fingers to just remove any shed hair, knots, or tangles, and I'm smoothing as I twist down. I'm using my high maintenance hair tea to keep my hair damp. My code is Tiffany20 if you want to try it for yourself. And then I just add my hair butter on top of that. I have already put my hair cream all over my twists before I took the twists out, section by section. Because my hair is high porosity, I always do style on damp hair. If you have low porosity hair, the goal is you just want to make sure that your hair is still damp. You need the water for the slip to be able to take out your twist piece by piece and, have enough slip to do the style. Right here, you'll see that at the top, this is where I started having some trouble. I started having like the top of my hair, some of the twists were clumping together and matting together, so I had to be very careful. I've sped up the video a little bit, but I am taking my time to remove shed hair and to get all of the loose hairs out before I retwist. You see it right there. So I just go through this process little by little until every twist is redone. And basically I'm using the LCO method for those of you that are going to be wondering. So at this point, I am all done. All of my twists have been installed. This process took a little bit longer than I would have liked, but I loved my results. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.